Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to create a cinematic dark look like this easily in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. So I have a clip in my project here, so now let me put that into timeline like this. So once done, go to the project panel and click on this new item menu and choose the color matte option, which will open a pop-up. Click OK. Now this will open the color picker. Here you can select the dark shade that you want to apply on top of your clip. So I have chosen somewhere around here like this and click OK. If you want to rename the color matte, put whatever you want and click OK. So this will create a color matte in your project panel. Now let's put that color matte on top of the clip that we have added in the timeline. Okay. So now let's expand this color matte till end of the clip. So this will act as a mask on top of your clip. Now let's go to the effects control panel and go to the blend mode and click on this drop down menu and choose the soft light option. So this will make this mask blend with your clip and create this dark look. If you want to increase the intensity of the darkness, you can increase or decrease the opacity like this. I'm leaving as it is at 100%, which I like it. So that's how you can easily create a cinematic dark look in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find it useful, please hit the like button. Thank you all.